Hey, Tom. How
Hello.
are you?
Great. How are you?
Good to see you.
Too.
So can I help you?
You can peel potatoes if you like. It's
Yeah.
one of my least favorite things in the world to do. So knock yourself
Absolutely.
out. The peeler's right there. And
Awesome.
Go ahead.
Do you invest?
I do. In fact, I have money in the QQQ ETF.
Oh, fabulous.
Absolutely, yeah.
We love talking to an investor and a client.
I am. The advice I'm giving my children now is start early. Take a bit of your paycheck every single week, every month, and put a small amount in and let compounding interest do its thing.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you should do my job.
You don't have to put a lot, just a little bit.
Yep.
But just make sure a little bit of money goes away and don't touch it.
Yeah. We call that dollar cost average.
Dollar cost averaging, yes, of course.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then the great thing about investing, I think, in the QQQ is you have 100 companies that you're putting your money into.
Well, one of the reasons why I love an ETF is because they're made up of different stuffs.
Sure.
Just like a recipe, we have all these different ingredients in front of us that come together like a dish.
Exactly, yeah.
So I definitely see a lot of similarities between cooking and investing.
Sure.
When you think about cooking, how do you think about the recipes that you put together?
If you want to be a better cook, and people ask all the time, how can I be a better cook? And they're looking for some magic bullet. There is no magic bullet. It's cook. If you want to be a better cook, cook. Spend time doing it. And I think if you want to be a better investor, spend time researching, or find someone who's going to do that for you and trust them.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.